Well, it is the morning of December 22nd, and the guys and I are back here in Randolph. We're going to try to take out some more pigeons at this farm we hunted this past summer and just wrecked and killed over 200 birds. If you want to watch that video, just click the link right there and it'll take you, there's 4 parts to it. And that was a really fun time. So there's more more birds here, but they're kind of stuck in the barn. That's where they've been staying, and they got all the food they need in there. So we're gonna send Zane Man in there, and he's gonna kick them out, and we're gonna hopefully be able to decoy them here. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we can shoot a couple pigeons.
Stay tuned. Keep your eyes peeled for this action. First one.
Okay, so we just shot up the first part of their farm. It's their main dairy where they milk cows and stuff. We killed over 60. They weren't decoying the best because they really didn't want to leave the barn, but we booted them around and killed over 60 of them. So now we're gonna hit up their heifer barns, and we got a bunch sitting on the silo up here, and we got one whitey. So the goal is no matter what, the whitey dies. Okay, everybody?
I'm on that page.
Oh, yeah. So we're gonna talk up a game plan here, and we're gonna let them have it, and we'll bring you the action right down the gun barrel.
Pew pew.
There's the brownie. Got a good video of that taking it. Okay, so we just hit that first silo, and you seen we killed 5 pigeons, and we killed the brown one, and we killed the whitey, which was the goal. And now we're to the next barn, and there's a whole bunch of pigeons on this silo, so we're gonna get a game plan, and we're gonna boot these ones off and see how many we can kill. We'll see what happens here. that silo, and these three guys weren't in the best position, but I was in a spot where I could get some rounds off pretty quick, and we actually killed 7 pigeons, so it's a pretty good shoot. When really, Zane, you shot one time.
He's pretty much the man.
I shot 5 times. How many times did you guys shoot?
0 once.
So we killed 7 pigeons. We'll go see what else we can find. It is December 22nd, and Brock, Jake, and Zane and I went up to Adam's Dairy Farm in Randolph, New York, and it's the same farm that we hunted this summer and killed over 200 pigeons at. And if you want to watch that video, click the link at the top of the screen, and it's a 4-part video, and you can go check that out. But we got some pretty cool video today. We piled them up, and believe it or not, we did not plan this or anything. We shot until we were ready to go, and we just counted them, and it's exactly 100 pigeons. So I don't know what the odds of that are, but that's something else. So we killed 100 pigeons and did the farmers a favor. These pigeons cause all kinds of problems with the grain. I mean, they eat all kinds of stuff, and they're kind of on the same feeding schedule as the cows. When the cows get fed, the pigeons come down and scoop up as much as they can. So it's nice to be able to help some local farmers out and have a lot of fun doing it. Buck and Banner got some good retrieves in. What do you think, Brock?
It was perfect. It was a great day.
Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and duck season and goose season's right around the corner here in New York, and we will get after them, and I'll be bringing that to you as well. Thanks for watching.